Did you know one of Europe's richest men threw away his entire fortune to teach kids math? Ludwig Wittgenstein inherited millions in 1913, but he believed money poisoned clear thinking. So he gave every penny away and became a teacher in rural Austria. This Cambridge genius thought he had to find truth in books. Instead, he found it in a classroom full of children. Teaching basic words and numbers showed him something powerful. Language doesn't just describe our world, it creates it. Think about it. You can't imagine a colorless green idea because those words don't work together. The kids taught him that most big problems aren't real problems, they're just confusion from using words wrong. His breakthrough changed everything. Computer science, therapy, how we solve problems. He discovered that the limits of your language become the limits of your world. This is why learning new concepts literally expands what you can think and achieve. When you grow your vocabulary, you grow your possibilities. The teacher became the student, and the student changed how we see reality.